Yesterday, we talked about mindset. That is the moment where everything changes, right? When you stop seeing yourself as a bystander and you start seeing yourself as an investor. Today, we shift from belief to blueprint because the only thing more powerful than the right mindset is a strategy that is built around you. When I work with my private clients, the goal is always clarity, not motivation, not hype, clarity, right? You need to see your plan laid out like it's a GPS, step by step, no detours or dead ends. Because guessing is what keeps most people stuck, right? Guessing creates fear, clarity creates movement. A well-tailored strategy lets you stop second guessing and start moving forward with confidence. See, that takes all the emotion out of the decision and replaces it with a framework you can trust. I don't do cookie cutters plans. Instead, I start by unpacking your full financial picture, your income, your savings, your credit, your assets, and your goals. From there, I build a roadmap that shows you how much you really need to get started, what types of properties fit your budget and goals, where your money is going, and what that investment is building for you. This plan will also show you the projected cash flow, the down payment, expected appreciation, and the tax savings such as cost segregation, depreciation, and interest write-offs. See, this is not just a plan. It's a financial GPS that keeps you moving forward, which is exactly what you need. You need to keep moving forward. You need to know the next step. You need to know what's coming ahead, even when the market shifts. So once you see those numbers and the path is all laid out for you, the fear disappears. You won't feel lost, but you will feel equipped. So if you're ready for more than just inspiration, you can DM me, you can book a call, and we can start building your personal investment roadmap and make the real estate game work for you.